I wanted to make a follow-up about the Door Sim video. The first video didn't make any justice to the setup because I didn't have any enclosure for it. Right now you could see I have something better. It is 3D printed. On top of it, I still have the same RFID reader. Below, I have a 4x20 characters LCD screen here. Maybe the color is a bit odd, but in real life, I could tell you it's pitch perfect. I could adjust the contrast on a PCB, and if I want, I could also disable the lights. So right now, what do we have? We have an ESP32 soldered on the Door Sim PCB. This project here was sponsored by PCBWay. They were able to give me a discount to buy a couple of PCBs. Stay tuned until the end of the video because I want to give you the opportunity to win one PCB. Because I have leftover, yes, I didn't use them all and I don't want to collect them or collect dust on them, you know. So on the computer side, I'm already logged in the Door Sim hotspot. So you could use the device in standalone or with the web browser. So right now, I didn't scan anything. I have here a key. I will scan it. So it's named You Win because I have already set up something. So if I go in CTF mode, this key is authorized. So what did I do? If I click on card data, I already have entered the facility code. So now we cannot see it actually. I will need to put another card. So this one is invalid. This incident will be reported. That's the type of message you see on the screen. It's pretty scary, isn't it? So let's say I organize a CTF or a demonstration on how to use our friend, the Flipper Zero, with some easy application. Let's say the application to clone RFID 125 kilohertz key. So in order to use it, you want to use it legally, right? You don't want to go in jail or to be in a gray zone where, I don't know. I'm not going to give you a bad example in this video, correct? So what I want to do here is to give a couple of keys to my friends, people that I want to have in this demonstration playing with the Door Sim. So I will set up a new key. So the last one I scanned without the red keychain is actually the key with the facility code 11. So I will copy it here and I will copy as well the card number here. And I will type a name. So let's pick. Okay, the card has been added successfully. So now what's happened if I add the card here? So I will win as well because this card was one of the cards present in the allow list. Okay, so now you could test, copy with different device, could be Flipper Zero or any other device you might have, like Proxmax, whatever. So really good idea here is to have a standalone device where you could use for training purpose experiment. There is even GPIO ports where you could plug this device to an actual door and open it or run any action. So let me know if you have like maybe ideas, or if you are already using the Door Sim for CTFs or demonstration. Another point here in this web interface is the settings. I will quickly go there. It's pretty simple, right? So I'm in CTF mode, or you have demonstration mode if you just want to have it running and showing you details like what kind of card you are scanning on it. There is display timeout, where you want to set up like 30 seconds to display your information from the keychain or card you scan before disappearing. Now for the Door Sim, you could like set up a new SSID and a password. I keep it by default. And a welcome message. So if you put custom here, I could put YouTube channel names. So okay, saved. It will display it soon. And you have also settings related to cards. If it's valid or not, you could change the status of the LID, flashing, or keep it in solid, or even turn it off. And when it's valid, you could also keep like a sound to confirm that the card is valid, or even like having a melody, whatever suits you. So here we go, we win again. Now you stay until the end of the video. I have 3 PCB to win, 2 that are pre-soldered. You still need an ESP32, the screen, if you would like to have a standalone compatible setup, and the RFID reader, of course. In addition, I have a second one that is like pre-soldered as well, and a PCB where there is nothing at all. So in the description, you will find a Google form with some question, and I will run a script to put some randomness here to pick a winner. And from there, I will ship the device if you are within my reach, I will say, because if you're overseas, that might be really expensive. So I will tend to prioritize people in Europe first, and then I will see. Thank you for watching, and good luck.